All right, welcome back, everybody. We are back with you. It is Black History Month, and we're celebrating Jamaicans doing great things ahead of the curve. Zooming in now to show us some super trendy hats from the millinery connoisseur is owner Rohanna Ludford. Good morning. Oh, your hat is nice. Good morning to you, Rohanna.
Good morning,
Oh,
Simone.
wow. I love that piece. And that is kind of a signature piece. We have some other stuff that you have made on our table. Let me move my coffee cup. Tell me a little bit about how you got into this business. It was 2016 and you were 17 years old?
Right. I used to be a visual arts enthusiast, and then after I graduated from Clarendon College, I needed something to occupy my time because I'm a natural creative. So I went on a creative splurge. I went on Pinterest, I went on YouTube, and I was just trying random stuff. I tried lipstick, I tried vases, and it was a host of stuff. And then I saw a fascinator from watching an FXM movie, and then I attempted to create one, and that's where it started. I never stopped.
Wow. So how did you make it a business? How did you build it out to what it is today?
Well, I was always a business-minded person, and now I study cultural and creative industries at the University of the West Indies, and I specialize in business and entrepreneurship
I
and
see.
also history. So that is helping me
So,
with my business now.
so Pinterest, YouTube, you fell in love with fascinators, you started doing that too, but making stuff out of waste, literally, stuff that people would throw away, is what you would salvage and make your stuff?
Right. What others saw as waste, sought to repurpose them. So I would repurpose plastic bottles, I would repurpose plastic dishes, and just cardboard until I was able to afford the millinery resources that are in Jamaica.
And tell me a little bit about the tools with which you work, because you say the tools to do this kind of work are very expensive, and so you've literally had to kind of turn your hand and make your own fashion there as well.
Right. So I had to develop my own style of millinery. I had to look, as I said before, look at things in a different light, repurpose things. So, of course, my number one tool is my scissors. I always have glue. I have like three different types of glue that I use. So, those are the most important tools to me, my
Okay.
scissors and glue.
I'm going to look at, I mean, obviously you're wearing a design now. I'm going to show the folks at home. I'm going to, in order for them to see it properly. I don't know. Is how you wear this now, lady? Other way?
Would have to rotate it.
Ah,
So that
it's,
was a perfect picnic. So tilt it forward.
I'm very bad with hats. Okay.
You have to tilt it forward so
Then
it's
me, how are the
perfect
people them
for.
going to see my face if I tilt it forward, lady? Anyway, this is a hat. It's beautiful. Let me come over so you can see
It's
it.
per,
Very nice. What you call this one, Rohanna?
we could call it the Simone.
Oh, I love it. Beauteous. And then this is so adorbs. Talk to me about this little one here now. Come, Harold. Oh, so
Okay. I,
cute.
I created the first top hat in 2016. So that is a replica of the first top hat that I created. That is perfect for children, and we have them in different sizes, colors.
Is the bird cage supposed to be at the front? The bird nest? Bird, what do you call this piece?
The birdcage veil. And yes, you can, however you please, style it, tip it, check it, sport
Oh,
it.
it's very cute. Okay, so that's one. And then what's, no, you're, Lauren, tie up the thing.
That one was the first saucer hat that I made. I made it for
What's
Miss
this?
Yui in 2020, which didn't
Saucer
happen.
hat. Okay, this is
So,
cute.
right.
Very nice. And you have another saucer hat here. This one is made from lace. One
Right.
here with
And
a kind of a Burberry type design. These are my fave. I think the ones that you're wearing, I love these because
the
they're so,
barrettes, right?
yes, 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 yes. This would be nice if
Those
it,
from wooden forks.
Oh, wow.
Right.
So you source the wood locally and you just build it on.
Right. So cork from wine bottles, or I would just purchase them at Hobby Lobby.
This is very, very creative, my love. And then this one is so cute. I can just see this with a nice like white t-shirt and a pair of jeans. Seriously,
Right.
right?
That is the Festival of Life beret. It's perfect for cultural events because it has the red, green, and gold.
Love them.
Right.
And I'm sure there are people watching this morning and saying those are really, really nice. Where do we source your stuff, Rohana? Where do we get your hats?
You can find me on Instagram at roxford.hats.
And
can
spell
send me
Roxford for them because it's ROHXFORD.
.hats.
Okay.
So it's roxford.hats, or you can send me an email at roxford@gmail.com.
Okay. Fantastic. Well done to you. Where do you plan to take your business? You're going to stay with hats, or as a cultural enthusiast and somebody who's into the arts, are you going to branch out into any other type or piece of clothing, fashion, accessory?
Yes, I've started making diaries. I now make headbands. So whatever it is that I wish to create, but right now I'm promoting my hats as my number one product.
Excellent.
So until that launches fully, then I will transition into other things.
Rohana, if you can make these in like actual hats, you know, like how you like put it over your head hat?
Right.
What do they call them? The Congal type looking hats. But I would so rock one of these. Just put it over on a Saturday and you're good to go. Not as fancy or as formal, but you know what I mean? Dress it down. Excellent. Good work, lady, and congratulations to you and all the best as you build out your business. Rohana Ludford, owner of Millinery Connoisseur. Thank you very much, Rohana.